Welcome to Crafty Girls. Today we are doing the biggest,
messiest,
most violent balloon pop slime. Balloon pop slime. So we are in our backyard right now because we are not doing this one in our house. We have 1 gallon of glue in one balloon, and we have 3 bags of Floam beads and another balloon.
And almost 2 cans of shaving cream in another one.
And we also have a lot of cornstarch. So this is going to be a fluffy, soft serve Floam slime.
Yeah.
If you are new to our channel, I'm Annelise. I'm Julia.
And I'm Rachel.
We are twins.
And I'm their older sister.
If you like what you see, remember to hit that subscribe button, click the thumbs up,
and turn on the notifications to become part of our
CG family. Now on to the video. Wait, should we do this way like that? You can pull first.
I already know who it is.
Who? Annelise.
Annelise, it's you.
Oh. Okay, so I'll do
it's
number
Annelise.
1. I'm so scared. What if I get it all over me? This is the biggest balloon.
Let's go.
Safety first. 3, 2, 1.
Perfect! It's right here.
That was really good. Okay.
That was not what I was expecting. I was imagining glue everywhere.
I know. We survived. Shake it. Grab it. And next is
Julia.
No.
I see an LIA.
Julia is next. Look at how beautiful that handwriting is. Okay, so go ahead and get number 2. So this is almost 2 cans of shaving cream. Okay, here we go. Go ahead. I'm not covered. I'm not
Just
covered.
do it.
Go.
Hi. All right. The balloon's right here.
Why do I have to pick it up every time? Okay. Okay. Again. It's me again.
Yeah.
Number 3 is what?
No! Julia! Don't do it! I hate you so much! Green food dye! No, I don't want to do this. Rachel, you can hold it.
All right, Julia.
Okay, go!
Go.
Go! Okay, go. Do it! Go through.
She's not poking hard.
Poke it! Push! I'll do it! Please do it. Please do it. I'm like a penguin.
Wait a minute.
All right.
Go.
Ready? Go!
Ouch.
That's all for Jeez.
That was amazing.
No, it's not the balloon. That is. Do not get it near me.
Well, now it's near you.
Okay. We're live. Okay.
And that's
It's me. Is it you? It's Rachel. Number 4 is green and yellow glitter. So
you ready to go?
I'm scared. Glitter in the eyes is dangerous. That's so scary.
I'm a good popper.
That's beautiful, people. Look.
That's like Frankenstein.
Doesn't it look like it's glowing? A shake.
It's you.
I'm so it is my. So balloon 5 is cornstarch. Need to cover.
She looks like an Eskimo. She looks like an Eskimo. Well, it all went that way.
Got all over me. Did Annie get in the bowl? Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, that looks really cool. Okay.
Looks weird.
Look at how pretty that looks. I mean, so many streaks and lumps. Wait, we gotta scrape the sides? Okay. We're good.
Mine is the last name in the hat. This is not, in fact, it. I am going to do the 6th balloon, which is Floam beads, and I need the poker. 3, 2, 1.
Snowing.
Well, this is a huge mess.
This is like a cauldron. Walking in the winter wonderland.
Well, it says 73 now, but before it was like 71. We're using a meat thermometer to prep the balloons. This is saline and baking soda, and I'm about to pop it. Ew, she's not even holding it. It's not popping.
Just push it in.
I'm trying.
This hand is back. You need to hold it.
I'm trying. Oh, there it goes.
Time to mix this up. Oh, looks like we lost a spoon.
This is slop.
John, here.
Yep.
Get it all over.
I'm trying to get it off of you.
Not working. Whoa.
There's our second spoon.
Stop.
Hey, you're getting it all over the place.
I am. Okay, mix. Rachel, you go wash your hands if you can. There's still a balloon in here. Annelise, the science geek. Hey, hey, hey.
Julia, the animal person.
Don't know what that was. No. Ow. I'm waxing my arms.
I'm helping you, not
You're scaring me.
Look at our table.
And look at my arms. Ow. You know what? I hate you so much.
Me too.
La 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 la.
We're having
twins. Ow, ow. You're on my toe. You're on my toe. More slime on me. Oh, there she goes. No wonder her name means beauty.
No, it actually doesn't mean beauty. It means you're getting stuff all over my shirt. Here.
No.
I'm working so hard to get it off.
By the way, you guys, we are going to be on Wonderama this weekend, and so you can definitely check it out. It will be on their website and on certain channels all around the country. We'll leave the link to it down below so you can check it out.
And it looks like our slime is pretty good here, so...
This is actually the most beautiful slime. Since it's almost Halloween, we're gonna call this Fluffy, Floamy, Franken Slime. Yeah, let's do that. So there you go, you guys. That was actually so much fun.
I think that my favorite part was getting to pop the balloons.
Same.
But they
And
didn't actually explode everywhere, just the Floam one did.
The only thing I didn't like is having to peel this off my skin. I'm
That's
waxing
gotta
my
hurt.
arms. Question of the day is, since we have so many slimes here, we want you to tell us in the comments down below, what is your favorite kind of slime? Mr. Frankenstein, I know we're playing with your brain, and please don't come after us and kill us all.
And Julia with that piece of hair.
Yeah! We hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And we will see you guys next week. Bye! Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go take a shower. I highest tipped on taking a shower.
No, me first.
No,